I'm selling it all. I'm done. I'm completely done. $109,000 we hit today. I'm completely done. I'm selling it all. I'm getting out. I'm done. I'm done with Bitcoin. Think I'm being serious? No, of course not. Now, what's going on, everybody? Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxi's beautiful day. The bears are out. $109,000 Bitcoin. The bears are going to be saying, oh, this is it. This is it. We're done. Bitcoin's going down. What did I tell you all was coming? I told you all this was coming before the Fed cut rates. That we were going to go down, and then we were going to shoot up. Now, a lot of people might be saying, well, they are saying from the videos that are getting recommended on my feed, the bull runs over. Pack it up, ladies and gentlemen. Pack it up. We're done. There's no more gains to be made. However, here on the channel, we're Bitcoin Maxis. We don't time the market. We stack. And when I tell you that right now is a good time to buy, it's not financial advice, but you all know, at least the ones that are subscribed here, watch my videos, and support the channel. Thank you all very much. I appreciate you all. Sorry if you guys hear yelling. Some Hispanic people arguing over here. But, so, anyways, get back to it. So, the issue with Bitcoin going down is we're going to have more people panic selling. And that's probably the average everyday person, investor, that's new to Bitcoin, and besides the market manipulators, the whales. And so right now is a good time, in my opinion, to be buying. And I always tell you all that you can't time the market. You cannot time the market, but what you can do, and I've always stressed to you all in some of my other videos, that times like these are important to have a little bit of money left over from your savings. That's why I always stress to you all 3 avenues, right? We want 3 avenues. Instead of throwing all of our savings into Bitcoin, we want to keep adding a little bit to our cash reserves for times like these. Now, dollar cost averaging a little bit more than usual on the downturns like this, days like this. For example, today, I went out, bought a little bit more to my stack, and I like it. I've gotten to the point where my mindset now is like, if I see red, it's game on for me. I don't go completely all in, but at the same time, I get excited when I see red, and I used to panic. I used to be one of those people that was like, oh my God, when I see red, but then I had to switch my mindset to say, okay, Bitcoin's a long-term play. So as long as I'm not trading it and I don't plan on selling it, I have a long-term horizon mindset, right? And that's the thing, is the more you stack, the more you're going to be able to use it as collateral down the road, because everybody's getting priced out right now. The middle class is getting priced out of being able to afford mortgages. A lot of people are getting repoed on their cars. So Bitcoin is going to be used as collateral, and it's going to be a way for people to be able to afford houses soon. If you can't really afford a house, or you're saving up and you notice housing prices are going up, they're printing money, so people are just getting left behind even more. And so when Bitcoin dips like this, it's a good time to be going in there and adding more, because you're getting more sats for your dollars as they're printing it, okay? Now, it's important to recognize that we can't always foresee what's going to happen. But like I called it in my other videos, this was coming, because I know I've been in crypto a long time. I know how economics work. And so I'm just used to things like this, And so a lot of people, they don't know. There's like, oh my God, well, the Fed cut rates. Bitcoin should be going up like gold and silver. The thing is right now, gold and silver are rallying, but then when gold and silver take a dip, right? It can always be on a run. So when it takes a dip, sometimes, most of the time, you're going to see some of that money, smart money, investing and allocating other places. So for example, if it goes from Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's on just a straight parabolic move, $124,000. Some people will take that money and they'll go and they'll put it into gold or silver. So that's people basically trying to time the market and trade it, which I don't recommend. I do not recommend that at all, because you can't time the market unless you've been trading Bitcoin and you just know how market cycles work and you're really good at economics like I was in high school and college. Economics is something that some people are just really good at, and it's just one of my cup of teas, should we say. So the thing is that even for me, I don't trade. I don't try and time the market. I can foresee what's coming, but I don't trade and time the market, because if it ever goes against what I think it is, even though I've never been wrong, let's be honest. I'm going to be very honest here. I've never been wrong. But I don't do that because we could have a black swan event. Anything can happen. So you just never know. So I'm going to come on and make this video that we are seeing 109,000. Looks like it's about to hit 108 again. I think it hit 108 earlier. We're about to see 108. And if we continue to go down, always remember, what goes down must go up. I'll see you all in the next video. Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. Have a good day.